Nestled among the western suburbs of Las Vegas stand a pair of high-rise towers of timeless distinction. Behold the mighty posture and graceful poise of Queensridge Place. Enter through the grand lobby into a world of substance and magnificence. Welcome home to Unit Number 103 in Tower 2. Hello, I'm Gary Anter, broker of Presenting Vegas. It is my pleasure to present to you this unique garden-level residence, the likes of which you can only find here at Queensridge Place. A symphony of custom furnishings by prolific interior designer Carrie Vogel creates an atmosphere of casual elegance. The exquisitely appointed master bedroom is a sanctuary of pure comfort. Awash in luxury is the amenity-rich master bathroom and huge walk-in closet. The master suite opens onto an expansive, covered terrace. A gas-fired outdoor grill is yet another rare perk of a garden-level residence. Enjoy views of nearby Tivoli Village, where convenient shopping and dining opportunities abound. Tucked away along another wing, past the oversized laundry and powder, is the ideal study. With space sufficient for 2 bedrooms, this second master puts other bedrooms to shame. Entertaining spaces open invitingly through multiple glass doors for effortless access to the surrounding grounds. This property boasts a massive casita, one of only a small handful of residences at Queensridge Place so endowed. Living, laundry, kitchen, dining. This casita does it all for that very lucky guest. Reminiscent of a luxe resort cottage, this is a space to enjoy and cherish. Not enough can be said of the rarity of such a huge private terrace, particularly in a high-rise setting. Adorned with thick slabs of granite and the very finest chef-grade appliances is the gourmet kitchen. The formal dining room is a meaningful setting to break bread with friends and family. An ensemble of cushy sofas and chairs are shielded from the elements for year-round outdoor enjoyment. The casita is situated in such a manner as to allow room to roam about the terrace without unit owners above impinging upon one's privacy. Thank you for taking time with me as we've explored this very special property, inviting its future owner to call Queensridge Place home. Comfort and luxury artfully coalesce in this garden-level pied-à-terre. No need to ever wait for an elevator. The wealth of amenities at Queensridge Place includes a generously outfitted fitness center, complete with indoor lap pool. His and her spas are lovingly carved from old-world limestone to seemingly transport you through the pages of mythology. The epicenter of Queensridge Place is an outdoor aquatic amphitheater for pampered poolside leisure. All of this and so much more await your exploration and enjoyment here at Queensridge Place. Visit queensridgeplace.com for all current listings and to learn more of this fabulous lifestyle. For your very own private tour of this and other available properties at Queensridge Place, give us a call today